Hey guys, in this video you'll see the process we took to transform our backyard from a landfill to a usable space. The previous owners cut down the trees in the yard, so we started by trimming the branches that were growing on the stumps. I started digging around the stumps, but I was too ambitious and naive, thinking I could remove 3 stumps by hand. Now we're starting work on the garden. Here we're digging out the edge while trying to give it a natural shape. We made sure to dig a little deep so the plastic edging wouldn't be too noticeable. Time to lay our landscape fabric to reduce the growth of weeds. It's a good idea to water the hole before putting the plant in. This helps the plant to absorb the water better. I highly recommend hiring someone with the proper equipment to remove any mature stumps. You'll save your time and your back. Now for the not so fun part, we're cleaning up the dirt, wood chips, and rocks. Here I'm laying out fresh soil and grass seeds. We built a raised garden bed to grow our own fresh vegetables. Make sure to take a look at my other video to see how I built it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY videos.